There are countless ways people try to grow water bayberry hydroponically, but the right way is to let only the roots adapted through proper hydroponic conditioning. The water. If you simply soak the whole plant in water, thinking it can't stay submerged for too long, that's like raising an amphibian as if it were a fish. It might survive for a while, but over time, problems will show up. Young bayberry seedlings might last 6 months like this. Older, larger plants, maybe 2 years, but eventually, they'll lose the ability to regenerate. Once their meristematic cells and internal nutrients are depleted, the roots begin to rot, and the plant declines. Very few people manage to keep them thriving beyond 2 years. So please, be kind to your plants. True hydroponics starts with pruning away all the soil-grown roots, then carefully controlling water exposure to encourage new aquatic roots. You can find detailed steps in my pinned tutorial on hydroponic adaptation. I share the belief that everything can be grown hydroponically. I'm Mr. Hydroponics. Now, let's look at a comparison between whole plant juvenile roots and hydroponic cuttings. These are both young bayberry root systems, and here are the results. After 20 days, aquatic roots have already reached 5 centimeters in length. This whole plant sample had 80% of its soil roots removed. To avoid issues caused by soil-borne diseases, the root wounds were treated with a 1/500 solution of 50% wettable carbendazole powder, soaked for 10 minutes, then air-dried in the dark for 8 hours before placing in water. The hydroponic cuttings were taken from seedlings that never touched soil, so sterilization wasn't necessary. While cuttings may seem convenient, they come with many hidden downsides. That's why I still recommend whole plant hydroponics for beginners. Even though cuttings may root well at first, later they struggle to transform fine roots into woody structures, and the constantly submerged stems are highly prone to rotting. The deeper science behind all this, and the fine details of the process, will take time to fully explore and explain.